We have a problem with this unit. You see that angle? Not good. I will not chance that. I'm gonna have to decommission it until I can figure out how to fix that. I've tried tightening the screws and they're not tightening. We're gonna use this unit because the Gold Star is not in any working order to be installed into a window. Not to mention it doesn't have its side panels. So we're gonna use this because I know it runs and I know it works. And I have a bunch of junk in here, so I don't know exactly how I'm gonna get to it. So I'm leaving the GE's fan running. That way we can drain the water out of it, or at least dry up the water that's in there. I also have paper towels in it because that's what I was originally doing, was putting the paper towels in it to help it drain because it doesn't have a drain plug. However, once I discovered that, I was like, ain't gonna happen. Alright, we got it uncovered. So I'll pick this up when I get it out in the room. Alright, we got it out into the room. And these were a little loose. I had to switch these around because this one wasn't working on this one wasn't working on this side. And this is the important side because this is where the compressor is. And there is a tiny bit of play, but not really. Not as badly as this is. So let me get my tripod. We can pull this out of the window, you know, the scary part here. You don't need a light. I'm trying to think about where I should even put it. Because I need a place to put the thing. Alright, I guess there will do for now. And yes, I am going to leave the fan running. And I'll show you guys what I did to the window. That side's a little difficult to open. And it isn't without reason either. Oh yeah, what kind of fan motor is this? Motor for room air conditioners? Yeah, no shit. Nice to run asynchronously. But you guys might be able to see that there is still water in there. I'm gonna set it over there, so they're not really doing a whole lot, so. Alright, now out of the window. These are the paper towels I was using. They're a little wet, but penny. But yeah, all on the top is some insulation. And this was the thing that was sitting up here and I couldn't really install it correctly. So it is pulled down a bit. And then there's a piece of insulation here, and that's because of the way this thing is in the wintertime. I'm gonna get the side panels for this thing. This is a little bit taller than that one, I think, so I don't think I can use the same side panels. I mean, those side panels are really shaky anyways. Let's see, they should be in here. Yeah, way up at the top. These are not the side panels that go to it. I don't know what happened to the original ones. I found this thing downstairs one day. Because, as you can see, yeah. This thing will not be able to go into a window with a metal piece on there. And that is because of the depth on it, or the length, or whatever you want to call it. And the compressor sits like right here, like towards the middle. So it'll just fall inwards. fit. We have enough water out of this thing. Let's see if I can push it back any so I can... Actually, let's just set it on top. That ain't much, it'll do. I guess I should show you guys the side panels, maybe? Or no. And you know what, though? We don't have to do the paper towel thing on here. There is a drain plug. You know, because sometimes Haier actually does design their units the way they should be. Alright, I'm going to get these side panels off camera. Okay, that took forever, but they're on. You can see how this is on. And this side curtain split really badly, so I'm going to have to tape that or something. Alright, losing daylight here and the clouds are getting in the way. Alright. Bring that window down just a bit. I have to be careful because I can't rely on the side panels supports. Why is that side? There it goes. Are we centered? Looks like it. Yeah, look at that. That's not good. Not good at all. Yeah, that's really bad. Well, let's see how the other one looks. Uh-oh. This one's not exactly good. But it's in. Somehow. This one's starting to split too. What the hell happened to this thing? I'm honestly very tempted to put the other side panels on it. Right now I just want to see if it works. And if we have enough cable length. Because this thing is a really short cable. Uh-oh. Hopefully this doesn't interfere with the night light. I'm gonna have to flip it down. I guess I'll aim that one to the side and this one mostly straight. I gotta do something about this though, this is a problem. I gotta do something about this too. Because that can't stay like that. It just barely has enough cord length. That looks so terrible. Let's turn that up on high. Actually, no, I'll let the head pressure build first. It wasn't even down all the way, Jesus Christ. Good thing I checked that. I'm gonna have to just like jerry-rig the crap out of that because that's bad. That. I didn't like that sound at all. It should work for now, but I gotta do something about it. I'll do that off camera. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time.